Yep, where you playing at?
I'll play mid.
I'm gonna play
Tommy?
right outside a hotel with the sub.
I'll go A Street.
Oh,
then, I
one.
guess.
Oh.
2A Street, bro. 2A Street. That's my fault. I don't know where I gotta go at first, but I know that.
Smoke weak, Tommy.
One's A Street and one's in a hotel. A Street. One's on
Street
the bomb.
weak?
If you come run over to the
1
bomb.
minute remaining.
Yeah, he's on bomb.
Nade it. You have a nade.
I'm gonna pinch A Street.
He's one shot.
Right here behind that car.
One shot again.
Last one's on A bomb.
That's
shot.
him. Check,
that was him.
check your
Fire,
flank.
fire.
Check your flank. Check spawn.
You guys probably have the bomb down on the bomb itself.
30 seconds remain.
Check our spawn. Make sure you don't come that way.
I don't see him.
Cause he was there.
Weak Street, nice.
You won that round.
My bad.
Get ready for the next one.
You good?
He wasn't in that indent the whole time, was he?
Ah.
No.
Search and destroy.
Run smokes for B right here.
Place the charges on the target and destroy it.
You said that a little bit too late, Bubby. I ain't got a smoke, I don't think. I can nade this bitch with you, though.
Any.
Nothing close either. Where's that?
Tractor. Clouds is weak, tractor. One just crossed over in the smoke, though.
Tractor dead.
We're planting at Bravo.
Alright, I'm at tractor.
Hop wall dead.
Final
Yes.
minute.
Bomb down, bomb down.
Device in place. Countdown started.
I'm just gonna play on tractor. Watch the mid cut yet.
Damn. Somebody had it already.
Round
Ace,
secure.
ace,
On to the
baby.
next.
Do no.
Good shit, fellas. Fridge is flagging, niggas.
Switching sides.
I'm gonna get a pick on A Street right here, bro.
I got B
I
right
think I
here.
know how to play right now.
Let me know how many cross.
Set up a perimeter around the objective. Do not let them reach it.
3.
I like that.
3B,
I like to hear
3B.
that type of shit. I like to hear that type of shit.
One outside of hotel, grocery.
Dead. I'm just sitting in a hotel, seeing if he wraps through hotel. I can also see burning car, kind of.
I'm just
Can he
watching
flank?
crack. Yeah, you can. I'm watching crack. Mid's, you want me to just pick up mid?
Just went outside a hotel. Just went outside a hotel. Right side. He's gotta be on A Street somewhere, or on the A bomb.
Oh, god damn it. Mid tank.
30
Oh,
seconds
what the
left.
fuck? Still could be on mid tank somewhere, or go crack.
He's A Street.
Oh, half.
Who you down, bro?
That round. Get ready
Good shit,
for the next
Fridge.
one.
Yeah, good shit.
Oh.
Tom, you gotta be a little bit better with that call out, bro.
What do you mean?
Cause you said, you said just went outside a hotel. You didn't say, and then you waited like A Street, A bomb, and then he was in Yip's face. Like, he could have
I think
prepared
that-
for a gunfight there, you know what I mean?
Pull out of smoke. Pull out of
I
smoke.
didn't
for that.
know he was going towards the bomb, my boy. Can't call it.
Oh, okay, alright.
Use the charges. Blast the target. No mistakes.
My fault, baby.
Nobody cross
Yeah.
mid again.
One's on B tank. Backed up to tractor.
Tractor. One's crack.
Crack dip.
Crack dead.
Tractor still. Clouds is tractor. Cloudy.
Oh, And then cylinder. Last one cylinder. Or
Cylinder?
cinder block. My bad.
Bullshitting him. I got EOD.
Setting device on
Landing in his
roll.
face.
Bomb down.
Bomb planted. Set containment.
See if he goes crack.
You're watching the same shit.
Oh, you're
Is
watching
there good?
crack? My bad.
Yeah.
He's B Street. He's B Street.
I'm the tank.
He's
Weak.
weak.
Round secure. On to the next.
Good shit, fellas. This nigga Frizz is carrying our asses right now.
I'm stat padding.
Search and destroy.
Stat
I have
patty.
an Overwatch elo.
I don't think you can use that.
Secure
Alright.
our objectives. Don't let your guard
Now
down.
you're trolling, nigga.
One on the back dumpster, but I didn't see anybody else. He hopped second. They're
I
back
got one
spawn
A
building.
Street. I killed one. I got one on the burning car. Burning car A Street.
Front side hotel.
hotel, one
Front side
hotel.
hotel. Front side hotel.
He's mad weak. Mad weak.
Hey,
Do you wanna
wait,
Burning
Wait,
car
wait.
A Street.
No, we're good.
1 minute
Still
to
burning
go.
car A Street. Dead.
Front side hotel. I stunned him.
He's in hotel now.
In hotel now.
No, that's me.
You won that round. Get
Let's
ready
go,
for the
baby.
next one.
Did I stun you?
No.
Nah, you ain't stunned me.
Switching sides.
No. I got a cruise.
And you should use
Don't-
the SE.
Y'all wanna overload A or y'all wanna keep it
Don't,
on B?
don't throw
B,
your
B,
nades
B.
off rip. Don't throw your nades off rip. I'm gonna
Go
cruise
B.
this guy's trophy.
Nobody cross mid
Alright.
again.
You should SAE him, honestly.
You said don't nade it.
B
Don't
tank,
need
B
it
tank, B tank. I naded it.
Freaking
I'm
B
sorry.
tank.
He went towards like the
2B.
crack area.
One DVD, one tractor with no trophy.
Behind me, grocery. That's
Trophy
him.
dead.
Final minute.
Sky back doesn't have a go.
Where's that?
One's behind tank.
He's
Tank
one shot behind tank.
Tank in construction.
He
One
backed
backed
up.
up,
One
one-
went tractor. One backed up. One went tractor.
Back is absolute.
You can SAE him,
Seconds remain.
Yeah.
and you can also SAE center block.
One tractor, one DVD. One flanking through A.
Tractor dead. One pushed me outside the DV back tank.
Last one was A somewhere.
That was him.
Remaining.
Don't know where last is.
Landing.
Planting at Bravo.
Shooting.
B Street, he's not telling yet.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, you should have kept the plant going.
I didn't. I thought he was
Unlucky.
up closer.
Yeah, nah, I feel you.
I looked for him. Almost turned on you.
Bro, I looked for him too, and he took so long on that flank, bro.
Switching sides.
Yeah, he like had to have full hit it.
I think he needed to wait for that streak, right? He didn't need to push up. He was streaking.
Yeah, that's my
Yeah.
fault. That's my fault. I just thought I had an angle on this dude. That's my fault.
Do not let them reach it.
2. Might have gone mid, 2 of them.
One out front of hotel.
Let them
I'm
be-
one shot over here on A Street.
Killed one in
I
hotel.
EOD one.
Where's that?
Juice is one shot by Arch.
That one?
Juice last by Arches. He pushed me.
Did not know that.
Bomb
14,
secure, no
baby.
visible
Good
threats
shit.
on target.
Stat padded
Secure the
him.
field.
What's
Mission
juice?
accomplished.
No, he's the guy's
No,
name.
I was calling his name.
Oh. I didn't even realize. I was like, what the fuck is Juice?
Sorry.
No,
I
you're
got a
good.
buzz, nigga, and I'm like totally like locked in. You feel
You're
me?
good, you're good. I'm not paying attention. I'm
I'm
half
sorry.
asleep.
If I'm annoying y'all, just tell me to shut up.
No,
Alright?
you're good. I'm like just waking up.